My name is Tiffany Woodley, and I'm with Woodley Building Maintenance based in Kansas City, Missouri. Woodley Building Maintenance is a full-service janitorial service company. We provide a wide array of building and maintenance services, floor care services, and any general maintenance needs for commercial customers. One of the largest challenges that we face in our industry is staffing. Hiring, identifying, and recruiting good team members has gone a long way in helping us to be successful, but at the same time, it still remains one of our largest challenges. Hire has really been a game changer for us. We implemented Hire going on 3 years ago, and it's really helped us to decrease onboarding time by probably close to about 50%. I think that one of our biggest successes with Team has been the job costing module. It has been very helpful in helping us to identify opportunities and areas for improvement within our business. It's helpful because the systems talk to one another and we don't spend a lot of time having to re-enter or manipulate data from one software system to another. So it's really helpful that they talk to one another and they're able to provide that cohesive resource for us. Team has added the ability for our company to bring a level of professionalism to our customers, to bring fresh new ideas to our customers and a new way of looking at things.